is the part where log stores are added. Logs to add here can be added like syslog or text log or SNMP trap, VMI, FTP, for example. If added as a syslog, it must be authorized on the port 514, for example. If the IP address is to be retrieved and the log is read via the port, it is written and finally saved by selecting appropriate log type. For example, FortiGate, sender IP, and port 514. Monitoring time, for example, and log type FortiGate. Save configuration. Now we create FortiLog in there. It is ready now. I cleaned. As you can see, we have Windows, Linux, Checkpoint, Cisco, and many more types of parsers. If the read as text log, add text log, and the path and IP, the file to be read and entered, and the log type is selected. Log type, for example, DHCP, Microsoft DHCP, or DNS Exchange, for example, and which path we write in there, host IP and name, file or directory you can select in there, save configuration. Now I introduce reports.